Hey, Dan here for Windows 101. We're taking a look at the Wagtail Orbital Squeegee. This is a really cool tool. The first thing that you're going to notice is this swivel right here, how this pivots. What it does is by holding the handle or with a pole in here, you're able to tilt the channel left and right on the glass, which is really key to doing precision pole work quickly. A couple other features that I really like about this is it's got a nice clean edge on the side for cutting the glass really well. It's got a lockdown screw that you can use to tighten this depending on how tight you want it. Right now it's really loose, but some people might want it a little bit tighter. It's got this nice big handle with a good angle, which makes it easy to cut and to close a deep ledge. Let's give it a try on the glass and see how it feels. So the first thing I'm noticing is that it's really lightweight. It feels like a feather in your hand. And it really just glides on the glass. It takes a little bit getting used to get used to that pivot, but once you've got it down, it's a great fluid flow. This is a real game changer if you're doing pole work, especially. If you're a professional, you want to be more efficient, you want to make more money, this is what you want to have in your bucket.